Our Big Bang was not the birth of the universe, but rather one of the many explosions of large, dense material nuclei that abound and occur continuously throughout the cosmos at all levels: atomic, stellar, and suprastellar, our own. The self-regenerating cycle of the cosmos consists of a process of birth, accumulation, and growth of material particles through the concentric action of gravity. This process successively causes particles to regroup into larger particles, nuclei of matter, orbital systems, atoms, stars, and finally, large orbital systems that cannot withstand the nuclear energy pressure and therefore self-destruct. This process then produces smaller particles, which again form orbital systems that will eventually self-destruct once more, and so on in an endless cycle of regeneration, growth, and destruction. As we can see in the diagram, the concentric three-dimensional direction of gravity's action produces the concentration of energy lines at almost infinite points in the cosmos, generating large accumulations of energy with high density and pressure. Through the reorganization of the nascent magnetic forces at these points, these energy lines structure themselves into orbital systems, material nuclei with orbitals revolving around them in positive orbits. These orbitals serve to demarcate the vital space of these orbital systems, atoms, stars, etc., and thus they develop and acquire the property of being impenetrable to other orbital systems. These orbital systems constitute the largest systems of particles before being destroyed by excess matter and energy density. When these large orbital systems, large atoms like uranium, large stars like supernovae, and large superstars like the one that gave rise to our Big Bang, reach these enormous densities of concentrated energy, their gigantic magnetic forces of expansion cause them to explode and transform into other smaller particles and material nuclei, their existence in the cosmos now permitted by their lower energy pressure. But of course, the gravity of these new smaller particles also causes them to attract each other and begin a new cycle of unification and construction of new material nuclei and new orbital systems, following a new cycle of cosmic self-regeneration. This concludes this brief explanation of the cosmic self-regeneration cycle. Those interested in this topic of cosmic self-regeneration can also see the explanations in my unification model, Amazon.com.